In Somalia, conflict and natural hazards have forced thousands of people to flee their homes in search of safety and better opportunities. The humanitarian community estimates that there are more than 2.6 million internally displaced persons, or IDPs, in Somalia. The majority were forced out of their homes due to conflict and recurrent droughts and floods. Displaced persons often head to larger cities like Baidoa, where they settle in spontaneous and informal settlements, which are frequently overcrowded and lack even the most basic services, such as water and healthcare. Many squat on private land under dire conditions and are at imminent risk of eviction. In 2018, IOM and the Nabada Durable Solution Consortium were looking for a long-term solution to create a safe and dignified new home for displaced families facing eviction. The solution came from the Southwest State Government, who donated 306 hectares of public land 6 kilometers outside of Baidoa. IOM and partners launched the Baidoa Relocation Project and developed the site to make it habitable. In consultation with the displaced families and surrounding community, many humanitarian and development partners came together to ensure that public infrastructure could support access to all necessary services. Roads were constructed, as well as solar street lights, schools, police stations, primary healthcare services, a nutrition center, a community center, a legal center, and more than 1,000 communal latrines. To improve the hygiene and sanitation, IOM constructed sustainable water supply networks and drainage systems to prevent flooding during the rainy season. The new site is named Barokacay, which means prosperity in Somali, and is locally referred to as the new town of Baidoa. By March 2021, nearly 13,000 individuals have been relocated to the new site. Each family received cash assistance and a plot of land with a garden area on which to build their new shelters. By having a stable and documented residence in the city, the social status of the families is elevated and their overall well-being has improved. The project offered a practical example of implementing the Humanitarian Development and Peace Nexus (HDPN). It shows how humanitarian, government, and protection actors can join together to achieve durable solutions to displacement, not only by meeting immediate needs, but also by finding long-term solutions for displaced populations. IOM hopes this relocation project can be replicated in other urban centers, both in Somalia and globally,